Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you can tell from the title, today we are getting ready for a little date. Okay, we're doing a little date makeup. It's something that I will typically go for if it is a feeling real bold and festive. And as you all know, we're getting into the Christmas season, so the bright red lip will make a statement, you know. So if it is you're interested in that video, I want to see how it is I achieve this look. Just keep on watching. Ooh, and I give you a little bonus. I did my hair with y'all. So if it is you would like to see that video, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on channel and study on both Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys.
Your maker, darling. Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna...
So I just put some some foundation as my lighter, and now I'm actually going in with some actual concealer on top of that. See, it's a little brighter.
When you on DMT, but I think the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me, God help me. I think I'm insane. God bless me, God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
So I know usually I use a brush to set my under eyes, but I kind of want to really like set it in today. So right, and I'm going indirectly patting it in, pat it all the way in, let it soak out. Okay, you see that? I hope you saw that. Right. Blend. Right, and then take the powder. Okay, and go and pat, and let's keep patting. Just keep patting, and here we get that rollers finish.
Up to my place, sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic, yeah, smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here, ain't a home when you're not here, are they grown when you're not?
We can go back in with our brush, you know, lightly. Okay, tap. All over the eyes and stuff. Chin. In with my contour and hit those areas. Okay. So now my base is finished, but it's time to do the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow, I'm going to put in some blush. And go up in my eyeshadow here. Right, and like right into the crease, from the outer part into the crease. So I don't know if y'all could see the depth difference. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of orange, some copper orange. Oh, my stuff on it's sticky. Oh my god. Right, like a small touch of this. Just to the top, you know, that's it. Give it a little. Yeah, I mean, I even see that come up there. I don't know if you see it. And then just a nice blend or something. You see that? However, you find too harsh, you can just go back with the brown and just kind of soften it. Okay? Wherever you find too harsh, just go back and just, you know, soften it up. because we don't want to be too bold. Now I'm going in with some shimmer, and depending on what you're wearing, depending on the clothes that you're wearing, in terms of the shimmer, use the color that you may want to wear or something that complements it. I'm not going any base on this. I'm just gonna like put it on the skin just like that. No base. I'm gonna go with a color that may complement. So I think I will go with, let's see this color here. Okay, and this, you know. I don't know if you're seeing that. Okay, but yeah, it's supposed to be very mild and it's supposed to be extremely over the top. I don't know if you're seeing that. Okay, it's supposed to be like a mild something. It's like a dare, but not really. This is something I will go for. I don't know about others, but because to me, you know, for the occasion, it's a date night. You don't want to be too. You want to look put together. You want to look, you know, but you don't want to be like, okay, like extreme. You want to, you still look yourself so nice put together, but you know, cute. Just for a little pop in the eyes, I'm taking the kind of whitish here. I'm just gonna lightly blend it in. My lips.
Red light on, shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes.
Now you can do your lips any shade that you want to, right? But I feel not bold. I know I feel a little bored, y'all.
And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you.
I mean, a little bored, people, and I'm taking some red. Because I can't I'm bored.
She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long. Let me numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine.
So if it is you want to make a little statement or whatever, you can use your red lip. That definitely helps. Right? Bring that statement. You know, it helps bring that statement. And what I love about this red lip is it's matte, so I'm not gonna get any transfer. I'm not gonna get any transfer onto my lips.
Love to me pretty, pity, pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me pretty, pity, pity.
lashes, fix my hair, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video, and this is the finished look. My hair and makeup. So let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Shalana Aesthetic. Oh, hello. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and on TikTok, because you all will get the short form content to this look. Right guys, and let me know what y'all think. Yeah, like, ooh, ooh, yeah, I feel so cute. I feel so cute, especially the bow lip. Anyway guys, thank you for supporting me in everything that I do with my channel, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.
Novocaine, I can't feel it. Novocaine for the pain, I can't feel it. Novocaine.